to this YouTube live on this big old Monday. I'm gonna get right into it. So you guys, if you guys are catching it on the replay, so the SBA announced that they will open up the PPP program to all tomorrow, January 19th. So the PPP is kind of like another stimulus check, but this time it's only for small business owners and the self-employed established before February 15th, 2020. It's also a first come, first serve type of thing, so you should definitely apply as soon as possible. Also, if you have not received your second stimulus check, the $600 stimulus check, by February 12th, 2020, you're going to want to claim the recovery rebates credits when you file your 2020 tax return. Joe Biden will take office on January 20th. On this day, he will extend student loan payments and interest, extend eviction and foreclosure protection, and then, yeah, so that's kind of the updates we got going on so far. I'm about to bring up my chat, and we're about to go live on YouTube. Cool. What's up? What's up, Luna? What's up, Judy? What's up, Alyssa? Welcome, guys. Welcome to the live. Make sure I got you all in here. How about chat? So I can see it over here. Yes. What is up? What is up? What is up, guys? So I'm about to go live on the TikTok and live on the Instagram. We'll just jump right into it. Get into your questions as well. What is up? Make sure I have you guys. Want to see you guys in the chat. What's up? What's up? Okay, so we're about to go ahead and go live. And guys, thank you so much for joining this live. Of course, I really always appreciate that. That's why I'm about to go live on the Instagram, YouTube. Okay, so here's where it starts to get kind of crazy. So we'll also be live on Facebook and Twitter. All right. So going live there, and then let me pull up the Facebook because yesterday I missed a lot of questions from there. And guys, we'll get straight into it. Hi, everyone from YouTube. How's everyone? Danielle, sup? We usually watch you on TikTok from here. Nice, Danielle. Nice to meet you. Duke, you're not live on TikTok. Yeah, not yet. I go live on YouTube first, just to show you guys some support, some love. Duke, my best friend wants to know if her baby daddy owes her child support. What she get? So child support will not take that. This second stimulus check. I was just like, yes, I'm on time. Late. Yeah, you're not late. Hi, everyone. Hi, guys. Welcome to tonight's live. What's up, Facebook? We're also live on Facebook. I'm looking at the comments this time from the Facey-Bookie. We're live on YouTube. What's up, TikTok? Oh, we got to go live on Instagram. And I kind of give you guys kind of like the recap of what's going on today. So the main thing to focus on, if you're a small business owner or you're self-employed, know that all lenders are officially opening up their PPP applications today. If you're like, what's the PPP? Well, the PPP is very similar to a stimulus check. So it's if you know what the stimulus check is, it's very similar to a stimulus check. But the PPP is only for small businesses and the self-employed. Okay, so that's how the PPP application works. It's a pretty cool thing. It's been around before and it's coming back again. So get ready for that, especially if you're self-employed. If you receive a 1099, any of that. A lot of people qualified for the first time and missed out just because they didn't know. So my job, what I would love to do for you guys is to let you know, like, hey, the PPP is coming. Okay, it's coming. It's tomorrow. If you would like for me to make a video on that to show you guys how to apply for that, I would love to do that, but only if you guys would watch it. So, and also the PPP is a first come, first serve type of thing. So you should definitely apply as soon as possible. If you have not received your $600 stimulus check, that second $600 stimulus check, by February 12th, you're going to want to claim the recovery rebates credits when you file your 2020 tax return. That's what's really important as well. Joe Biden will take office on January 20th. On this day, he plans to sign all these executive orders, okay? So he will extend student loan payments and interest, say, whoop, whoop, okay, party over here, whoop, whoop, okay. And he will also extend eviction and foreclosure protection. So that's another thing that he plans to extend as well. So that's kind of what's going on with the update so far. I really want to spend this day answering these questions for y'all. So that's what's really important to me. I want to answer these questions for y'all because I know sometimes I miss this question. So I'm also live on YouTube. So that's let me get this right. I'm also live on YouTube. That's the platform I'm definitely trying to go. My YouTube is at Duke Loves Taxes. At Duke Loves Taxes. If you haven't already, check that out. So let's go ahead and get into these questions. Chase, knowledge is power. What's up, my boy? What up, Chase? What up, baby? Strawberry Gang. What up, Strawberry Gang? What up? What up? What up? Hi. What's up? I like the lighting better on TikTok. Yes, please. Yes, please. I need the help. Yeah. So, guys, if you would like for me to make a video on the PPP, right? If you want help applying for the PPP, if you want me to make a video on how you can apply for the PPP, let me know. Just let me know. Just let me know. And I'll do what I got to do. Okay, yeah, another thing. So the IDA was supposed to open on January 17th, Sunday. Still have not heard anything on that. The SBA has updated their website, but still haven't heard anything on that IDA grant. So I don't know what's going on. Very similar to a stimulus check, but this time it's only for business owners. Okay, so it's only for business owners. You and self-employed. So even if you do OnlyFans, if you do DoorDash, if you have a small, if you're a doctor, I don't care if you have some type of, guys. I want to really get this point across. Okay, you do not. Let me stand up for this. Let me stretch. Cause I'm gonna tell y'all. I gotta tell y'all something, bro. I'm here. Okay. All right. You guys listening now? All right. Here we go. All right. Glad I got it. You do not need an LLC to start a business. You don't need an LLC to apply for the PPP. You don't need none of that. You don't need an EIN. You don't need a DBA. Those are all good things to have, but it's not a requirement, okay? So that's what's really important. I really want to get you guys that point across. If you have... Boy, I'll be tough. Guys, no, that's so seriously. All jokes aside, guys, you don't need none of that. All you need is to be established business, right? To show that you're in business, that you have some type of side hustle, you have some type of gig thing. That's it, guys. Okay. So I don't need you guys to freak out that do I need an LLC? You don't need none of that. You don't need none of that. All you need is a business, and the IRS establishes a business by meeting two tests. Okay, by meeting two tests. The first test is that you are doing an activity. Let me not even say activity, okay? Because that can get confusivity, okay? You are doing something. You are doing something in your life that's going to make you money. That's going to make you money. If you are doing something in your life that you are doing, and not that you have a W-2 job, not that you do stocks or something like that. You're performing an activity. You are actually doing something that you expect to make an income or profit from. That's the first test, okay? That's the first test. The second test is you are doing that activity with continuity and regularity. So you're doing it on a constant basis. So to meet the constant basis test, it's really like, hey, 5 days a week, 4 days a week, that little thing. If you can meet those two simple tests, you have a business. You can, and if you were doing this before February 15th, 2020, you can, thank you for the gifts. You can apply for the PPP. You can apply for the EIDL. All of that, guys. Okay? So what I'm trying to, I want to inspire you guys. I want you to go create something, first of all. And also don't be afraid. Okay? So that's the coolest thing ever. Dude, I love you. I appreciate it. How do I file for unemployment? You file with your state. Hey, Duke, love, really help. Appreciate it very much. Can I have a copy of your form? So, yeah, it's on my YouTube video, but you can just Google it. Form 7202. What's up, TikTok? Thank you for your support. Private duty. Idle grant you do not have to give back. So the PPP. Do the PPP. Do the PPP. Y'all want to make a dance for the PPP? Do the PPP. Oh my gosh. Yes, I do taxes. So yeah, the PPP. Okay, so yeah, guys, and if you're coming from the For You page, let me know. And let me know what video you saw. Yes, Twitch streaming counts. That was a great question. Let's talk PPP questions. We're talking PPP questions. Yes, Twitch counts. Yes, YouTube counts. I don't care if you're a porn star. That counts. If you do OnlyFans, that counts. If you do an Etsy shop, that counts. You sell on eBay, that's a winner too. Oh, that's a winner. You're from the For You page. What video did you see from the For You page? What up, For You page? What video brought you here from the For You page? Yes! Oh, I don't bit my tongue on that one. Yes, DoorDash counts. Yes, Uber Eats counts. Yes, babysitting counts. Get English classes. Let me know what you guys do. Yes, hairdresser counts. Yes, braid hair counts. Okay? Yes, postmarks counts. Guys, of course it does. You count. That was really nice. I barely heard you, Sister Iris. Yes, you can get the PPP if you haven't filed taxes, but you better go ahead and get those tax returns filed because the lender you are working with might require you to, they're going to require that you have filed at least your 2019 and 2020. If you want to increase your odds of approval, go ahead and, file your tax return. School teacher, unfortunately, does not count because you get paid on a W-2 for the most part, unless you're some type of self-employed. Then yeah. Also, if you're coming from the For You page, I'm really curious how TikTok works. So which video brought you here to the For You page? That's what's really important to me. That's what's important to me. If you want me to make a video showing you how to sign up for the PPP, let me know. Thank you, Judy. Guys, there's 34 of you watching. Yes, makeup artist counts. Yes, 1099 counts. Yeah. Yes, you can get the PPP if you did DoorDash. Yeah. Yes. 4UK, 2K Stimmy. 2K Stimmy. Yeah, so I will make a video on, if you guys will watch it, I will make the video on how you can apply for the PPP. That way you don't have to worry about it. That way you don't have to stress about it. If you want me to make a video on how you can apply for the PPP, I will take the time out of my precious day, I kind of live the life, I be chilling, I be working, got to do something in exchange for me, you know what I'm saying? Got to do a little something for me. That's all I ask for. And you guys on YouTube are already taking care of it. Just subscribe to my YouTube. Show me some love. My YouTube's at Duke Loves Taxes. It's at Duke Loves Taxes. Also show some love on Instagram. It's also at Duke Loves Taxes. It's just, I do something for you, you do something for me, we'll do something for me. Okay? Okay. Okay, so what proof do you need? So they're probably going to require something like a Schedule C. Let me pull up what I have. And if you guys, like I said, you guys will watch the video, I will make the video. Okay, yeah, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube at Duke Loves Taxes. And let me pull up what I have. So let me pull up the documentations that I have. Let's go. Yes, I want you to tell me what industry you're in, and I will tell you if you meet one of the first requirements of being able to apply for the PPP. Okay, there's also other requirements, guys, but the most basic one is if you were self-employed or a small business owner, and you have an LLC. You don't even have to have an LLC. Before February 12th, February 15th, 2020. So if you guys have not applied for the first one, okay, so here's what my resources say that you're going to need for the first one. Your 2019 documents, okay? So if you are a sole proprietorship, right? Most of you guys watching this, you're a sole proprietorship, okay? Mostly, for the most part. You're going to file a Form 1040 Schedule C. That's one of the things you're going to need. A void check, all right? So whatever bank account you bank with, a void check. And then also a picture of your driver license or passport, okay? Subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing. Windows subcontractor, yes. Subcontractor, yes. If you're self-employed. If you get paid under the table, you consider bartender. Unfortunately, no, because you get paid, for the most part, you get paid as a W-2. For the most part. If you get paid on the W-2, unless you're a bartender and you do something on the side, such as DoorDash or something like that. Unemployment, what about unemployment? Unemployment does not count. Bartender, DoorDash, yes. Realtor, yeah. Food truck, yes, if you're self-employed. I need your help. Can we chat, please? Guys, if you have a question that you want, and I know I can't answer all these questions. Here's another thing. If you have a question that you want to ask me personally, and I can't get to it because there's just so many questions, I do try to answer most of them, okay? But go to the link in my bio. Go to the link in my bio. It says, ask me a question. Fill that out. I will get back to you. I guarantee I will get back to you within 24 hours, if not instantly. The price is $25. But if you have a burning question that you want answered immediately, you don't have time to wait, go ahead and look at that link in my bio. Yes, if you're a construction on 1099. I gotta go show Garcia. I didn't apply last time, but I would like to apply for the PPP this first. Links to apply located on the website. Yes, I will guide you how to apply for that PPP as well. I have a CPR business and I lost a lot last year. How wouldn't allow us to have any classes? Yeah. Do you need employees? No, you do not need employees to qualify for the PPP. That's a great question. You don't need payroll stuff if you're just self-employed. You just need a Schedule C. Do I have to work for a while on DoorDash to get the PPP? So you have to have been if you're just doing DoorDash, you have had to start that before February 15th, 2020. Hi, dude. What up, Jackie? Welcome back, Jackie. I haven't seen your name in a while. Yes. Ignore my question. You just answered me. Okay, cool. Awesome, Jackie. Idol. We're still waiting on the idol. Let's look at these questions from Instagram. Yeah. Let me answer some of these questions. Will people get the unemployment? Will people that get unemployment still get second stimulus check? Yeah, of course. So why not? The second stimulus check is only based off one thing. Only one requirement. Okay. It's your filing status and your income. That's it. Okay. So it's your filing status and your income. So let's check it out. The income thresholds. We're talking about these income thresholds once again. Let me see it. Okay, look at Damien already with the pen. The pen and Strawberry Games. These are OGs. $75,000 if you're single. If you're single, it is $75,000. Okay. Now, let's say your income is $75,000, and you go $100 over that $75,000. Your stimulus check will reduce by $5. Okay. So each $100 you make over the threshold, your stimulus check will reduce by $5. Look, I know I put 5. Hey, I got excited. Not 10, by $5. So if that income threshold is $75,000 and you make $75,100 and you're supposed to get a $600 stimulus check, you will then only receive a $595 stimulus check. Okay. So if you're head of household, that threshold is $112,500. If you're married filing jointly, that threshold is $150,000. Look at that! I love that emoji. Yeah, paycheck, the PPP, guys, like I said, it's opening it up to all lenders tomorrow, January 19th, 2020. And then on Wednesday, Biden is sworn into office, January 20th. On that day, Biden is promising to extend federal student loan payments and interest. Okay, so he's planning to extend that, and then also extend eviction and foreclosure protection. That's kind of what's going on. Recording studio. Yes, tell me if you're. Comment me your industry, and I will tell you back if your industry qualifies to apply for that PPP. Duke, what if you have child support? What if you have child support? Your second stimulus check will not be garnished if you have a child support, but your refund possibly can. Yes. Okay, thank you so much. The PPP does not have to be paid back, or you don't have to pay taxes on it if you meet the requirements. Roofing, yes, absolutely, especially if you're 1099. If you're a W-2 roofing, unfortunately, no. Stay-at-home parent, unfortunately, no. You have to have earned income from self-employment. Schedule C is okay. So Schedule C is how you report your self-employment income. Okay, so that's where if you have a small business, or you do DoorDash, or you do OnlyFans, or you do Etsy, or you're in real estate, or you're a contractor, or you're a subcontractor, you report your income and expenses on Schedule C. Instacart, yes. DoorDash, yes. Etsy, yes. He did forget it for the grant as well, guys. And if you want me to a video on how you can apply for the PPP, where I talk to you step by step. I'm not, you know what? I'm not even going to charge you. I'm going to put it on YouTube. Okay? I'm going to put it on YouTube step by step how you can apply for the PPP, what qualifies for you, what disqualifies for you. All I do is win. All I ask for in return is that you subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on Instagram if you have not. It's at Duke Loves Taxes. Okay? What if you make hair bows and sell them but haven't sold a lot? So, to determine the amount of your thank you so much for those gifts. Determine the amount of the PPP. You're welcome. Thank you for saying thank you. To determine the amount of your PPP, you're gonna want to look at your net income from Schedule C. Okay. So if you have not filed a Schedule C as well, it's going to be really important. Either get with a tax professional or fill out one online, okay? They may require the full tax return. They may require a Schedule C, okay? So make sure you have a Schedule C if you do not have one already. But you're going to look at line 31 on your Schedule C. Line 31 tells you your net profit, okay? So your net profit is the total amount of money you made, right? Hey, we made some money, okay? So it's the total amount of money you made minus your expenses, such as utility, such as the home office deduction, such as your phone, right? So you take all the money you made, you take all the expenses you had, and that's your net income. Okay? When you take that number, you can divide it by 12. Divide that number by 12, multiply by 2.5, that's your PPP loan amount. There are many people, I have had many clients who have received a PPP amount as large as $20,833. Okay? So done this before. So if you guys want me to make a video, just walk you guys on how to apply for the PPP, let me know and I will. Awesome, Duke. Thank you. Welcome. What's the web address? I will post a web address. When does Missouri start PUA? I'm not 100% sure. What up, Garrett Cole? What up, baby? Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. Duke, will you do it for me? Yes, make that vid. Okay, so you guys want the video. You gotta promise me though that you will follow me. You can't follow people on Instagram. I mean, YouTube. Yeah. So subscribe to my YouTube at Duke Loves Taxes. Also, there is 67 of you guys watching. There's 67 of you guys watching on YouTube and only 37 likes. Something wrong with that number. Something wrong with that number. Judy, let them know. Guys, if you haven't already been watching on YouTube, please give this a thumbs up as well. Let me see that number go. All right, I see. I appreciate it. What's up, guys? So let me show some love on Instagram. So the grants, are those taking place at all? I don't know. It was supposed to take. So the ILO grants, that's also free money that we're talking about for small business owners and the self-employed. That was supposed to take place on January 17th, 2020, but our 2021 still have not heard from that. I never filed, but filing for the first time this month. What stimulus do I qualify for? So if you haven't filed ever, you meet those income thresholds that I've been mentioning, you should qualify for both stimulus checks by claiming the recovery rebates credit when you file your 2020 tax return. Look at Nika Mama trying to get back in the game. Can I apply for PPP if I sell Mary Kate? Absolutely. That's MNL. So guys, if you were like in an MLM, right? Absolutely. Thank you, KTP, for subscribing to the YouTube. I'm a mobile. Yes, if you're a mobile mechanic, if you're a self-employed mobile mechanic, I'm not sure if you work for another. Guys, pretty much if you have a W-2 and you work for another company, absolutely not. But if you have your own side gig or you're a subcontractor of some sort, then absolutely you meet that requirement of the industry requirement. Just subscribe thank you, Angie. Are we going to get the 2003 stimulus checks? Still waiting on that. Came from TikTok. What up, Felisa? Can I apply for PPP if I sell Mary Kate? Absolutely. Hi, I applied for SBA. Is there anything else for business owner? Yes, Margarita. You can apply for the PPP. Matt, self-employed, absolutely. If you guys want a video on the grant as well, I can do that too for you guys. Just sub. I appreciate you for subscribing to the YouTube if you haven't already. Can I apply for the PPP if I've not done my 2019 taxes? I would highly encourage you to do your 2019 taxes because it's going to be based off that. It's based off your 2019 net income or your 2020 net income. How would you know your net income if you don't file a tax return? Or at least a draft tax return. Right? So it's going to ask you it's pretty much going to ask you what is the amount that you reported on your tax return. That's all they want to know. So how would you not know if you don't file a tax return? If you have not received your stimulus check, by February 12th, if you have not received your stimulus check, the $600 stimulus check by February 12th, you're going to want to claim that stimulus check when you file your 2020 tax return by claiming the recovery rebate credit. Guys, holy snap. We have 80 people watching on YouTube, and a lot of you guys liked it, so I really appreciate it. All you guys who are over here from YouTube, this is the account that I am trying to grow, and this is where I will post the PPP video showing you guys how you can apply. Also, if you have a question, and I really do, guys, I promise, I try to answer every question I can. If I could answer every single question I get, I would, right? If I could answer every single DM, I would. But unfortunately, I can't. But if you still want me to answer your question, you have a burning question, Go to the link in my bio. It says "Ask me a question." Fill that out. I guarantee you, I will get back with you no more than 24 hours. You will receive an answer from me. That price is $25. My tax preparer didn't file my small business. I started in 2020. She didn't think I made enough. Yeah, so Felicia, if your net income is below $400, you're not required to file Schedule C. Yeah. Can you apply for the PPP and income tax if you're 17? Absolutely. Age doesn't matter. Does credit score matter for PPP? Nope. So credit score does not matter when it comes for the PPP. Queen, flawless. I love you. You're the best. And thank you so much. That was super nice. Yeah. No, PPP is not taxable. If your business had been started in February 15th, 2020. Owner operator, yes, owner operator. How are you? I'm very well. Thank you so much for asking. That was super nice. I appreciate nice people. Like, I love nice people. I love nice comments. I love that. I love that stuff. Like, I love that stuff. I appreciate it. What if I worked as a chef January through March, but opened my own side gig? And yeah, so if you opened your own side gig in October 2019, you would meet that first qualification because you're established before February 15th, 2020. Duke, not sure if you already answered this. Can software I use to run a business be reported on? Yeah, Hugo. So if you pay any type of software fees, that is a deductible expense on your tax return that you can file. Love what you do, so very appreciate it. Thank you. You guys are so nice. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for all saying thank you. I love you guys too. Don't cry, don't cry. I appreciate you guys. I'm here because these women are cute. Appreciate that, PNW. Does the disaster benefits from unemployment disqualify you? No, it doesn't. But in order for you to even get a PPP, you have to show net income from the self-employment. Okay, so guys, let's do a quick recap for everybody joining. Also, if you're on TikTok, you're coming from the For You page, say what up For You page, and then let me know what video brought you here. Was it my live or was it an actual video on the For You page that brought you here? I'm trying to see something now, but I'm gonna do a quick recap. The SBA announced that they will open up the PPP program tomorrow, January 19th. The PPP is kind of like a stimulus check, but this time it's only for small business owners and the self-employed. Established about my live. Okay, cool, got it. Appreciate it. So it's my live being pushed. All your videos. Actual For You page live. Okay, cool. So I guess TikTok's pushing out my live. Cool. Hi For You page. What's popping? But this time, so the PPP is kind of like a stimulus check, but this time it's only for business owners and self-employed. Established before February 15th, 2020. It's really a first come, first serve. Oh my gosh, we have 97 people watching on YouTube. What up, YouTube? Focus. It's a first come, first serve type of thing, so you should apply as soon as possible. Also, if you have not received your $600 stimulus check by February 12th, you're going to want to claim the recovery rebate credits when you file your 2020 tax return. Joe Biden will take office on January 20th. On this day, he will extend student loan payments and interest, extend eviction and foreclosure protection, and that's our updates for today. So that's kind of what we're looking at today. It is 98 people It is 100 people watching on YouTube. I want to say welcome, guys. What's popping? How you doing? If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Love that. I was on unemployment already. Did I get a tax return? Possibly. Does this include it going to a closed account, not receiving a stimulus check? Yes. So if you have not received your stimulus check at all, it does include going to a closed account. Okay. Rage. So I have a link. I will post. Okay, look, I will do my best. You know what? I will go hard. If you guys promise me that you will watch it, set a reminder. I will try to make a video when I'm in this live on how you can apply for the PPP. Okay? Okay? So if you guys promise, because I'm seeing a lot of things going up, like how I will make a video. If you guys promise me you will watch it, you can do that by subscribing to my YouTube video. Make sure you turn on that bell notification so you will get notified when I apply. When I apply the video on YouTube, when I apply that, that way you get notified on how you can apply. Turn that notification bell on. Turn the bell on. Turn the bell on. Go to YouTube. Turn the bell on. Go to YouTube. Turn the bell on. Say ding dong, ding dong, ding 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 dong. Turn the bell on. Turn the bell on. Turn the paper. Do the PPP. Do the PPP. Do the PPP. Okay. Can you be a PPP if you don't have a business? You have to be self-employed at least. Whatever your hairdresser, you get paid through Venmo Cash. Absolutely, Gabrielle. Where's the dang bell? I don't know where that bell. Turn that bell on. Do the PPP. Do the PPP. Do the PPP. Do the PP. Do the PP. Do the PP. Do the PPP. Do the PPP. Yeah, so the PPP is kind of like a stimulus check, but it's for small business owners and self-employed if you meet other requirements. So if you would like to see a video on that, I can definitely do that. Yeah. Y'all like the... the grant, we're still waiting on that grant. Okay? Do the PPP. Do the PPP. Do the PPP. I'm going to call that the PPP dance. Do the PPP. Do the PP, do the PP, do the PP. Whew, I don't know about that one. Okay. Do I need to show proof? They may require you to show your 2019 or 2020 tax return to at least show you were a business. What kind of payroll proof? Schedule C. Yeah. Are they doing anything for essential workers that work? I've not heard anything about that. If you have not received your stimulus check by February 12th, 2021, you're going to want to claim the recovery rebates credits when you file your 2020 tax return. Okay? You get some awesome and accurate information. I really appreciate that. That was so nice because I spent so much money on education. So education is really extremely important to me. So, what I learned, I just want to teach you guys because I feel like the people who benefit the most from really like tax professionals, CPAs, enrolled agents are the people who generally have like a little bit more money than the average business owner because there's so much information out there, and those information only go to people who have hired professionals, right? So what I am a tax professional, but I'm on TikTok, or Instagram, or Facebook, or YouTube, giving you the game as well, giving you the secrets as well. A lot of people the first time had no idea about the PPP and missed out. So this is my duty to you guys. This is what I want to do to you. This is why I dedicated at least an hour of my day every single day to help you guys out. So that's why I'm here, and yeah. That's why I really appreciate when you guys are super nice and you say nice things because I don't have to do this, but I do it for you guys. Such a good coup. Yeah. How do you get PPP if you get paid through Cash App, Venmo? File a tax return. That's what's going to be really important on that one. What schooling do I need to be like you? I have no idea. A lot. You can talk. There's a lot of classes, courses you can take. Oh my gosh, Duke 109. I know, crazy. I've never had YouTube is kind of jumping right now. What's up, Duke? What up? 1400. Thank you so much, bro. We appreciate it. I appreciate you guys and all you guys that follow. Um, do you make taxes? I filed taxes for business owners and the self-employed. Do you have to pay back? So you do not have to pay back the PPP. The PPP, it shows the keep if you meet certain requirements. And those requirements is like, hey, hey, look, we're gonna give you this money, right? We're gonna give you this money, but you have to spend it how we want to spend it, and it's 60% of payroll, utilities. So you have to use the PPP money for payroll, which is like self-employed. That means you're just paying yourself. Business utility, business rent. Um, if you're paying from destruction from all the riots that happened, and any protection equipment, PPE. Yeah. Can my ex-wife and husband claim the same child? Oh, can an ex-wife and I'm like, dang, what y'all got going on? No. So it's either one or the other. Can claim it. You guys gotta work that out. Can you get PPP if you start your business this year? Yes. If you start your business before February 15, 2020, then absolutely. Thank you for the information. You're absolutely welcome. Can you do did a video on PPP in detail? Absolutely. If you guys would watch it, yeah. It seems like a lot of you guys are interested in it because I had 97 over here. Typically, it's like 40 of you guys watching on YouTube. So like, what the heck is going on? So Hugo, you can spend all the all the money on yourself and get it forgiven. It's super easy to get it forgiven. Like the forgiveness should be the least of your worries. This is super easy to get it forgiven. And actually, you don't even have to provide any documentation if your PPP was $150,000 or less when you're applying for forgiveness. To determine your PPP loan amount, you're going to look at Schedule C. So Schedule C is the form you file if you're a small business owner, if you're self-employed. You're going to look at that. Look at line 31. Line 31. Line 31. Line 31. Okay, that's your net income. You're going to take that number, divide it by 12, and then multiply it by 2.5. What tax company do you suggest letting do taxes? So TurboTax is a really great company. That's the one I recommend, especially for first-time filers and so forth. Do I qualify for PPP if 1099 is under a company? What do you mean under a company? So if you work for somebody else, like you're a W-2, then unfortunately, no. Duke, where do we go to apply for the PPP? So I can drop a link for you guys, or you guys could just wait. I can post a video. I'll make a video. I didn't know some of you guys were so curious about. I had no idea some of you guys would be so interested in actually applying. So it kind of motivates me to go ahead and make the video for y'all as soon as possible. Yeah. So yeah, Margarita, turn that bell on, and yeah, I had no idea. Cool. I didn't know some of you guys would be so interested. Okay, cool. Yeah, make sure you. Okay, cool. I'm excited to now make the video. Okay, I didn't hear anything about the 2K student loans. It's easy. It's super easy to apply. It's super easy. The PPP is super easy to get. Super. If my spouse is undocumented, can I claim the recover rebate credit for them on my taxes? Thank you so much. So they won't be able to get it if they don't have a social security number, but Jacqueline, you can. I was on unemployment already. Okay, I was on unemployment all of 2020. Can I still get a tax refund? Joint, married, 2 kids. Yeah, so it's possible you can get a tax refund. Eduardo, especially if you have 2 kids, you may not qualify for the earned income tax credit if you didn't have any earned income. But yeah, it's still possible. Absolutely. What up, TikTok? What up? What's poppin', TikTok? So if you do Grubhub, yes, you can apply for the PPP if you do Grubhub. Absolutely. They don't check your credit. You don't worry about a credit score when you're applying for the PPP. I failed to get the PPP the first time. I wonder why. A lot of people failed because they didn't have like advice or guidance. So if you guys, I can't guarantee that you're gonna get accepted, but I can definitely give you guidance on how you can do that. Okay. PPP. All people are PPP tax people. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Don't. This. Delete that from your head. Men in Black. Gotta go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all. Anthony has returned. Anthony has returned. Anthony is a yeller. Okay? Me and Anthony beefing. I'm going to give y'all guys an update, okay, about what's going on, and we can go into that. So, the SBA announced that they will open up the PPP program tomorrow, January 19th. The PPP is kind of like another stimulus check, but this time it's only for small business owners and the self-employed established before February 15th, 2020. It's a first come, first served type of thing, so you should apply as soon as possible. If you have not received your $600 stimulus check by February 12th, you're going to want to claim the recovery rebate credits when you file your 2020 tax return. Joe Biden will take office on January 20th. On this day, he will extend student loan payments and interest, and also extend eviction protection and foreclosure protection. Boom, update. Yeah, so I'm still waiting on what's supposed to be happening with the idle grants, guys. How much tax did you pay on unemployment? It depends. It depends on your overall income. You're great, man. You're welcome, Anthony. Thank you for saying thank you. Do I qualify for PPP if 1099 is under a company? Okay, so yeah, if the 1099 is to you, right? So whether you have an EIN or whether you're self-employed, that's what matters. Is a 1099 in your company name, in your business name? Then yes, it will qualify. When I do my taxes with a 3,000 for dependents, so that 3,000 for dependents doesn't drop to 2021, and it's still the plan. Do you have to have really good? So no, guys, you do not have to have good credit to get the PPP. In fact, it doesn't matter what your credit score is for the PPP. Doesn't matter. Jacqueline, thank you. You're welcome. Brown, like Twitch. Yes, if you do Twitch, you can possibly qualify for the PPP as well. Babysitting, yes. Judy, how do I get my 1099 for my unemployment? They'll send it to you in the mail by January 31st. Yes, you guys, if you owe taxes, you can still qualify for the PPP. Okay, so, excuse me. You will not, no, so William, unfortunately, you cannot receive the PPP money if your net income from business was a negative number. Okay, so no. Before COVID, net income from my business was $229,000. Yes, so Margarita, your PPP loan amount would be $20,833. Can the realtor? Absolutely. Thank you, dude. You're the best. What up? You're welcome, Judy. Thanks for replying. You're absolutely welcome. I started Instacart in February 2020, I believe. Okay, cool. You're right on that dot line. Can you pick more questions to Instagram to answer? What's up? What's up, Instagram? I know. I'm dogging you guys. Okay, here's one. Would we have to ever pay back unemployment, or is there a statute if we file tax? If you receive unemployment fraudulently, then yeah, you might have to pay that back. Ask me more questions on Instagram. I'm here. Instagram, what's up? What's the questions at? I'm looking. Where's the questions? Thanks for the info. We'll post a video tonight. I'll try my best. Okay, if you guys really wanted it. PPP, you do not repay. Yeah. Hi, Vigorous. Dude, what about the $3,600 tax credit? So that's a plan right now, and it's a plan right now. So, and more than likely, we won't see it until 2021. Can I get unemployment in PPP? Oh, no, you can. If you cannot receive unemployment in PPP. So if you're on unemployment, you either jump. So here's the thing, guys. If you're on unemployment, you either want to jump off of unemployment and get the PPP, but you can't do both at the same time. So you can't take PPP and unemployment at the same time. Yeah, that was a really good question. I've not heard anything on the student loan forgiveness. Do I have to do my taxes before PPP? Absolutely. Um, do you have any updates for the people? Yeah. So if you have not received your second stimulus check by February 12th, 2020, you're going to want to claim the recovery rebates credits when you file your 2020 tax return. How do you apply for the PPP? If you got, I'll do a video for you guys. It's so cool that so many guys were so interested. I had no idea that this many people would actually be interested. Yeah. So mixed status family, you can actually it's retroactive, so you can still receive the stimulus checks for the mixed status family. What is the PPP? So the PPP is kind of like a stimulus check, okay? It's kind of like a stimulus check for small business owners and the self-employed, or if you have a side gig or something like that. And it's just, yeah, that's the best way I can put it. That's the best way I can put it. And so the maximum amount you can receive, so the maximum amount of this PPP stimulus check is $20,833 per individual. That's the maximum amount. Yeah, so it goes off your net income. So in order for you to even qualify for the PPP, you have to have had a net income. Yeah, yeah, Margarita. So yeah, the 229,000. So the max PPP. Okay, divided by 12 times 2.5. Okay, so Margarita, this will be your amount. You see this? 20,833. So even if if your net income was $229,000, the maximum amount you can take is $100,000. Okay, so you will take. I did 100,000 divided by 12 times 2.5. Your PPP amount would be $20,833.33. Yeah, so still waiting for the grant. If your bank account was closed due to divorce, what proceeds? I'm not sure what that question is. You're such a patient man. Thank you so much, Hugo. Jose, do I need a business checking account to qualify for the PPP? So, no, but you need a bank account in the name that you are applying for. So that has to match. What if I didn't turn 18 till September? Sure. Everybody getting on Margarita. I'm like, what up, Blanca? Welcome back. I didn't hear my answer. Yeah, Margarita, you've been answered. And now Margarita's about to say thank you. I know Margarita's about to say thank you because that's what we do in here, right? We say thank you. Rachel has a question. Did she ask me the question first? I made $20,000 last year overseas. Can I still get the PUA PPP? I'm broke now though. So the PPP is depending off your self-employment income. So that's what matters right there. The PPP depends off your self-employment. For your unemployment, I'm not sure how that works if you're overseas, but it definitely depends on your state. Okay, so unemployment depends on your state. So you're going to want to check with your state for that. For the PPP, you have to have been self-employed. Okay. Okay. Here from TikTok, what's up, Christina? What up? Guys, and I would love to be able to answer all you guys' questions. Seriously, I would love it. I would love it. It would make my day, but there's so many DMs be popping. So if you really have a burning question that you really need answered, like, I need this answer. There's a link in my bio. It's Ask Me a Question. It's a form that you fill out. Go ahead and fill out that form. It's simple. You just put your question in there. I will receive it. I will respond to you within 24 hours with the answer that you need. Okay. The price is $25. Can you tell us about the grant? So we're still waiting on that grant. John, he just said after video. I have a small LLC. Can I apply for the PPP grant? Do I have my business giving me $36,000? Yes. So I would. Yeah, I need to do a video for you guys. Uh, I'm. I'm not gonna read that. Bank account. Bank account was joint. We divorced back in December, so Stimmy was tied to deposit. Okay, bank account was joint. So Les, I'm gonna call you Les. Les, if you have not received a stimulus check at all, period, regardless about how it came, if you have not received that stimulus check by February 12th, 2020, definitely file your tax return and claim the recovery rebates credit. Okay. So here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and end this live. Okay, so I still got to make this video for this PvP, so I got to do that, of course, for you guys. If you haven't already, please check out my YouTube, subscribe to the Instagram. It's at Duke Loves Taxes. Also, if you need a question answered, when I end this live, go ahead and go to the link in my bio. It's called Ask Me a Question. Fill that out, and I will get back with you in 24 hours. So I will see you guys on tomorrow. So I'm live every day at 8 p.m. Central Time. I dedicate that part of my day to answer you guys' questions. And this is kind of keep you updated on what's going on with these stimulus updates. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Alexis, please answer mine. Oh, I don't see it, Alexis. I really don't. I really don't. It just says, please answer mine. No, don't go. I have to go. I have to go. Okay, I have to go, guys. Alexis, I really tried to find your question. Hurry up, just get it in. I'll do my best. Just get your Rachel, and Alexis. You can hurry up, try to get it in. Okay, I'm gonna end it on TikTok, guys. Bye bye. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. My YouTube is at Duke Loves Taxes. Bye bye. All right, so 22,000 on that one. Okay, so mommy, don't be telling all the secrets. Okay, so my benefits exhausted, and I'm supposed to get paid this week. Do you think I will? So you check with your state on that one. So especially if you're unemployment, because they're supposed to be extending that. And I know a lot of states are behind. So I would definitely practice patience with that one, and it should come. If 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 did it get paid because he passed the bill late? They said I should now. It's passed. Do you think I will? Yeah. So yeah. Keep requesting. Have patience and check with your state. Rich Hunt. If we are singers or dancers but weren't working before COVID, can we get PUA? If we were singers, if we were singers or dancers but weren't working before COVID. Oh, that's a great question. I'm sorry. I actually don't know the answer to that one. I would have to look it up. I would have to look that one up. If you want me to look that up and research, definitely just fill out that form on my website. But I actually don't know that one on the top of my head, and I would hate to tell you something and it'd be completely wrong. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. I did stay a little bit late to answer those questions, so bye bye. Okay, what is up, YouTube? What is up? What is up? What is up? Dog breeding qualified, yes. What does effective days mean in PUA? Not sure. What if I didn't have my 1099 yet? What can I do? For what? To file like a. I'm not sure. What if you didn't have your 1099 yet? Like for what? From 2019 to 2020? And to file a tax return or to file a tax return to get the PPP? What I would do if you really want to push out your application for the PPP and you have not received that 1099 yet, either log into your portal or whatever, something like that. Or if you've been tracking your income from other sources, do that. Or just go through your bank statements and to figure out how much you were paid. Because whatever you're paid in your bank or however you deposit that money, that's the same amount that should be on that 1099. And you can use it that way to prepare it. What is effective date? Okay, I don't know. People can't afford to. I'm just trying to be a good citizen. Hugo, I'm trying to help. I just saw my answer. I guess my video is behind. Dog walking qualify for PPP. Yes, dog walking does qualify for the PPP. That's a little side hustle. I appreciate that hustle. Luke, see ya. What was the stimulus update? Great question. So the SBA announced the SBA announced that they will open up the PPP program tomorrow, January 19th. The PPP is kind of like another stimulus check, but this time it's only for small business owners and the self-employed established before February 15th, 2020. It's a first come, first serve type of thing, so you should apply as soon as possible. If you have not received your $600 stimulus check by February 12th, you're going to want to claim the recovery rebate credit when you file your 2020 tax return. Joe Biden will also take office on January 20th. On this day, he will extend student loan payments and interest and extend eviction and foreclosure protection. So, yeah, that's kind of what we got going on. Let's see. I'm waiting for my welcome. Hey, I say thanks. You're welcome, Margarita. Thank you for saying thank you, Sergio. I have a side work on cars, but I do have a day job. Yes, so you can use your side work income to apply for that. Don't leave. I probably am going to end this live a little bit sooner than usual, so I can answer some questions and probably like post a PPP video. Because I see a lot of people. I didn't know so many people would be interested in actually watching me help you guys with the PPP. So that sounds like a pretty good thing. I literally try to watch you every night. You're so helpful. Christina, thank you so much. That was super nice. Do you know when the auto grant will be available again? Not 100% sure yet. It's supposed to open January 17th, Sunday, yesterday. If I decide to use TurboTax this year, would I most likely see the same refund? Doesn't matter what software you use. They should do the same, but I always recommend TurboTax. Can you let me know how much money or less I will get before kids on my return, please? I have no idea what your situation is or what documents you have or your income, so it all really depends. How's the forgiveness program work? It's super simple. If your PPP is $150,000 or less, you just fill out the application. You don't have to provide any documentation, the supporting documentation. Just fill out the application. Say, yeah, I use it like I was supposed to. Make more videos of you being that lady with the talking to you. Yeah, we'll do. Have a good night. See you guys. Yeah. So I'll make a video for the PPP guys. Thank you so much for all you guys that come in from YouTube or came over from Instagram. Let me go ahead and try to do this PPP for you guys. But yeah, if you have not already, please. Oh my gosh, we have 111 likes. I really appreciate that. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe as well, and I will get back to you. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm live every day at 8 p.m. Central Time. Okay? Love this.